Hello peoples! Today we'll replace the timing belt, water pump and all pulleys and tensioners as they are all over 9 years old. We'll also install a new alternator, steering pump, thermostat and some other bits and pieces cause they are broken and or simply too old. But first, that metal bracket needs some new paint, so let's dig right in. We'll leave that out to dry, so let's start with replacing the timing belt.
Now to undo the timing belt itself, we need to undo the tensioner right in there. Slacken the lower and remove the upper.
That's one. It already moved anti-clockwise.
Alright, that's the tensioner out.
So I guess let's take it off.
I guess so. Don't move.
Don't move. I was going to say the same. Alright, we can cut this I guess and then it's easier to remove.
Now, very gently remove it.
It's a very tight fit between the air pump and the crankshaft, and so it took a little wiggling around to get the belt out.
Why is it stuck?
Alright, that's one timing belt out. Let's check the length. Yeah, that seems about right.
Yes.
Good. Now let's start replacing some of those pulleys. Right.
That's the tensioner pulley.
Hoef je me niet weg te duwen.
Ja, dat ding moet echt los.
Oh, maar je is een bitchy vandaag.
Een bitchy.
Heb je je ongesteld of zo?
Nee. Zo, wat doe ik?
Nee, je doet cranky.
Nee. Wat doe ik cranky dan?
Ik niet. Je hebt een beetje een attitude vandaag.
Last van. Het is gewoon vroeg. Ik sliep eigenlijk nog.
Sounds okay.
Silencio.
But that will go.
Oh, how little did we know that this pulley replacement was gonna cause so much trouble. But more on that in the upcoming videos.
So, let's remove that water pump. In total there is 7 bolts holding the water pump in place. So don't get fooled by the editing, but taking the water pump off is already taking 15 minutes.
Yes, because these bolts are full of Loctite. Get some motion in there.
Get a screwdriver in there maybe. Not moving at all. I'm gonna get a screwdriver.
You gonna get it?
I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Alright, let's wiggle that a little.
Oh.
Don't break any plastics in there.
Trying.
That is really jammed in there. There's more water coming out, so it's doing something.
Why is it so stuck?
Probably because it's been in there for over 10 years. Yeah, it's coming. It's water broke.
Yes, it's coming.
Right on. Yes! Finally! There you go. That is one water pump out. Seal is broken.
Yes, indeed.
We want to clean the engine where the seal is from the water pump, and we do not have a whole lot of space to be cleaning that, so we're gonna take that plastic cover out anyway. Alright, so the plastic cover is only held in by 2 bolts, so that should come out right now.
So the cover is stuck behind the serpentine belt pulley from the crankshaft, but we have a little more room now to clean.
So we're gonna clean that with some scotch. There you go.
Metal!
Alright, so we cleaned the surface where the gasket is gonna go, and then it's now time to start putting everything back together. Right, and in goes the gasket. There's one water pump. 1 bolt. 2 bolt. 3 bolt. 4 bolt. Alright, and that is one new water pump installed to that lovely engine. Now we gotta put back a few of the pulleys, and then we can put the belt back in place. Let's start with that one.
Van de pulley.
We split the pulley, that's good. Next one.
The space between the tensioner pulley and the wheel arch is very small. We did order a shorter socket, however that was still not able to fit in between. We then decided to sacrifice a longer socket and cut it a whole lot shorter.
Alright, let's put back that tensioner.
Now, time to put the new belt on.
And all of a sudden that just fell in place. That's good. Oh no, there's another very tight fit up here. Wait, I'm gonna put the camera away, gotta do this. Wait a minute. So we need 2 pairs of hands to get that right. But we had it on and the left camshaft moved. So yeah, we had to take it out again and realign everything. So now we're gonna put the tension back on and then turn the engine a few times by hand, and hopefully, yeah, everything is still running right.
Moment crucial. There she goes. So now back on the timing marks.
So that should be good. That is one new timing belt installed, and of course new water pump, new pulleys, new tensioner. Nice.
Before starting her up, we installed the new alternator, steering pump, thermostat, some hoses, a new coolant reservoir and some other bits and pieces.
Let's put back that alternator. Oh, we forgot the kapje. So putting back some of the brackets.
Right, something like that.
Now let's clean that thermostat housing a little bit. And before we forget, we also got a new sensor for the coolant temperature.
It's a bit oily. Can't grip it. Arr.
Now a new thermostat. That cleaned the thermostat housing. And some new bolts. My brain farted. And that is one thermostat housing back. And a new thermostat and a new temperature sensor. Very nice. Alright, so we did put one bracket back already. The alternator is back in place. And now there's one bolt underneath that we need to tighten. Alright, that lovely new steering pump. In you go. But before we do, we need to flush it, clean it and bleed it. But that needs to be done with the steering pump in the car. And that is bolt number 5 holding in the steering pump. We also put back the idler pulley. We almost forgot.
Tighten everything down.
Now we need to tighten everything down. Yeah, what gaan we doen?
Tighten.
Wat? Jongen, zeg, wat ga je doen?
Schroeven vastdraaien. What does it look like I'm doing?
Not much.
I need a beer.
He needs a beer.
Alright, now a new rubber seal for the high pressure hose, and then it's time to bleed the steering system.
Alright, we got a temporary setup to catch all the steering fluid oil in that can there. So let's fill her up and
Turn the steering wheel.
ready!
Ja. Niveau daalt in ieder geval.
Oké.
Nou, er komt er niet heel veel uit. Hoe maar. Even bijvullen. Ja, stuur maar vast. Oké, dat is 1 kan leeg.
We changed the catch can and then repeated the process one more time.
Very smooth. Well, that went in there pretty nice. Right, another tensioner back. That one is for the serpentine belt.
This is nice growing.
Yep. You're no Bob Ross, that's for sure.
It's been a tree. Let's, you know what? Let's give him a friend.
Yep, now let's get that special tool out. I think it's over there.
I need to get the backhoe. Release the tension. New coolant level sensor.
And we also installed the new coolant reservoir and some new coolant hoses.
Right, that hose needs to go back. Alright.
Now, we ordered 10 liters of distilled water to help with flushing the cooling system. We filled it up for now, and then it is finally time to see if we did our first timing belt replacement correctly and the engine won't blow up.
Alright, here we go, the moment of truth. Let's see what it does. Please don't explode.
Nee, dat kan. Als er iets ontploffen.
Ready?
helemaal op het randje van die pulley. Waarom hebben we dat net niet gezien?
So, the engine did not blow up, which is good news, but the belt alignment is not correct. It should be somewhat in the middle of the camshafts and not right at the edge. Also, it should not be moving left to right that much. Now, this could mean a couple of things which at this time we are not too sure about, so we'll have to do some investigating and ask other people with more experience for advice.
But that's for the next time. For now, that's all we could do today, so thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Adieu.